Well, everyone, you might be trying to figure out how you can use action mode on your iPhone 14 or 14 Pro camera, or really any of the iPhone 14s. As long as you have an iPhone 14, you'll be able to use action mode. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you basically want to hop inside of your camera application, and then you'll come into a panel that looks like this. All you want to do here at this point is to go ahead and click on video mode, and you will see on the top right corner, there'll be a few different options. So you have flashlight, which is very common, or the flash, but then you'll also have this little secondary mode here too, which is brand new for the iPhone 14s. So in order to actually go ahead and utilize this, what you want to do is go and click there, and action mode has now been enabled, and you'll see action mode basically come up at the top. And that is really all you have to do. As of this point, you are pretty much good to go, and now on your iPhone, it's basically a more stabilized mode, which is really cool. So if you're making a lot of videos, basically it'll be a little bit more stabilized, which is nice. You can still utilize the same exact sensors and zooming. I think it's only 9x zoom, which is still more than enough for me. And that is it. Now if you want to turn it off, all you have to do is go and click on that little option, and it'll go and turn off. And that is all you have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.